Hello, hi, creative people. How are you? I hope you all are doing okay. Here I'm with another video, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. See, on this channel, I'm creating a video for mostly for the beginners. Okay, so who are looking for a professional skill and who want to develop their like a career. Well, and this is my personal experience also. Like, I am not a pro. I don't want to say that I am a pro, because see, uh, currently I'm working in UAE, and it's been more than 8 to 9 months that I'm working here. And um when I was back in my home country, that I didn't care much about the LinkedIn. But when I landed here in UAE, and I found LinkedIn, the use case of LinkedIn is very, very huge. Okay, that's why. And once I started my YouTube channel, and I saw some of the comments, like, obviously my channel is growing. Okay, they are very it's growing. Okay, but still there are a few questions that I found, and some of the viewers asked me how to job hunt and how we can search, okay, job, and so many other questions also they ask. But I want to start from the LinkedIn optimization. Okay, so why I'm focusing on LinkedIn optimization is, for your professional and career growth, you need to create a kind of digital character. Okay, so based on that, like, people's recruiter can, or company, obviously recruiter or HR manager can reach you, or you can apply for the job. And there are lots of social media, and there are lots of what do you call job portal websites, but LinkedIn is the best one to build your career, professional career portfolio or profile. And we are using a Facebook. Okay, I'm not into a Facebook, and I don't have account on a Facebook. Okay, but lots of people are using LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, and there are maybe other social media also there are, but they are a little bit less popular. But for the career and professional development, LinkedIn, you should maintain your LinkedIn. That I lately I realized. Okay, now I'm updating and what do you call it, managing it. Because of that, I'm getting lots of response, and I'm building my what do you call communications. And as for this, there is a few what do you call guidelines, and or let's say there is a kind of procedure you can follow, and you can build your good LinkedIn profile, and it will help you to like get the job, and it will help you to progress. Okay, so simply it's not that much big. Okay, so sign up is quite easy, and obviously you can sign up very easily. And maybe you already have an what do you call your LinkedIn, but there are a few things that you can optimize. Okay, you can do, for example, let's go with the few profile page. See, so first thing is to create your good what do you call background. Okay, or cover page. So here I'm just keeping very simple, UX UI designer, and this is my web address, www.danube.com. I'm just keeping very simple and neat. So if anyone is watching my what you called information or my profile, then they can get who am I and what I do. Okay, and since 90 days there is 99 profile view, means 99 people view. Obviously I'm not using any premium version currently. Okay, I'm only using my free version. You can see some of the like what do you call the view analytics. Okay, once, and you will get the some kind of, obviously, see, you can see the 50% less. That means lately that I am not quite active because of some workload. But there is a huge what do you call improvement on my total followers. Okay, so 247, okay, and 99 profile views within a 90 days, okay, and 13 people, some other 13 what do you call, people searched me on a this LinkedIn search, and they like they have seen my profile, and maybe a recruiter or any other person can look in, can see, or anyone can see, okay, but there is some kind of progress, okay. So so how you can improve, okay, and what is the procedure, and what are the things that you can do in your LinkedIn that I am going to show. See, first that the as I told you that you have to maintain your what do you call, keep it very simple and intuitive, that what you are, okay, what you do, you can make a very basic and simple cover page. So if you want to create your cover page, then you can simply go for the Canva, okay, and it's very easy and simple that you can create, okay. Right now I'm not going to teach you how to use Canva, okay, it's different topic. So simply I'm giving you a idea. So create a what do you call, design, and here you can see the LinkedIn article cover, or just simply type here LinkedIn, okay, and you will get the list. So whatever you are looking, and you can get the sizes and all the things, okay, and then you can create a design, and you can get the lots of templates from here, okay. So wait, and you the profile picture should be very simple and professional, okay, so not like hanky panky, or maybe some photos from the beach or anything. No, you can't upload such kind of photos, okay. So maybe you can see also my all other link also have a very professional kind of picture, okay, very simple picture, okay, and they are like suggested people. I'm not connected with them, okay, but see, you can see all of the person has a very simple and a good profile picture, okay. So you have to try to put your simple profile picture well, and beside that, this is a heading section. This is the most important what I called summary section, that you can keep it very simple. And for example, for me, result oriented UX UI designer, hands-on experience in information architecture, okay, user centered design, usability test, prototype, and wireframing. So logo design talks about the design thinking principle and the brand strategy, and there is some kind of hashtag. So these are the things that you need to maintain very clearly. For example, if you are accountant, then you have to put such a what do you call, action oriented or result oriented kind of information, so that any recruiter or the IT person can understand, or any company can understand who are you and what you do. Okay, whether if you are a fresher, still you need to show the some kind of basic what do you call experience. Whether let's say, for example, you are a fresher, and you don't have a lots of years of experience for the job for applying, but at least while learning you might have prepared any project, okay, so that you can mention, and you can say like, I'm a fast learner and trying to achieve something like that. So try to make it a little bit what you called uh, positive, and giving an impression with these few 2 3 lines, okay. These are the things that you have to take care, okay. So, and if you want to like update and this information, then yes, there is a one edit icon. So you can simply click on edit icon, and here the you can basically fill your details, who are you, okay, what do you do, and then like say on the heading section, that you can add those lines, okay. And once you started filling your what do you call, experience, then it will come here, and you can choose, okay, or you can select. And here is the industry. So what industry that you are working, okay, and you can show the educations and where you are currently. As I told you that I am UAE, so UAE Dubai. And if you want to put any custom link, then you can put link, and what is the link that, so you can see portfolio and case study, okay. I put it, and yeah, I put my website's address. So yeah, simply I can save. So there is a AI version, okay. So to if you want to generate the content with the AI, then you can get. So see here there is a portfolio and a case study. Okay, now you can see 246 followers. Like 246 people are following, and I have a 224 connection. That means more than like 20 people are following me. So it's good for the beginning. Okay, so it's been only 6 to 7 months that I started managing my what do you call it, a LinkedIn profile, and I'm getting good response. So this is the huge what do you call it, opportunity to create your personal brand here in a LinkedIn. Okay, so well, and these are the sections that you can use. Okay, and if you want to see or if you want to save your profile, then you can do. Okay, and there is one place add profile section, and if you want to add any section, then okay, so whatever you want to add, then you can add. For example, core, add education, add position, add career break, or any other like feature, license, or certificate. Whether if you are, for example, if you are engineer and that you have a license and the certificate, then you can mention. And for example, here in the UAE, that if you want to become a real estate agent, then you have to appear on exam and you have to pass the test. So you can mention your license and certificate. Likewise, if you have done any project, then you can mention here. If you have done any courses, obviously it will be very helpful. Okay, so you can add it, and there are lots of things that you can add from here, and it will show your personal strength. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. And for example, if you are looking for the job, then you can set as you are looking for job. Okay, so and likewise you can mention. So and so this one is most important in the resources sections. Okay, so you have to understand what it is. So now my creator mode is turned on. Okay, most of the times maybe you have a turn off. Okay, you should be turn on, and if you turn on, then you can add say there is a turn of creator mode, and I turn it on. That's why it is now saying turn off. Okay, I mean, if I want to turn off, then I can click here and it will turn off. But I don't want to turn off. Okay, so just I'm leaving there. And once you enable the creator mode, then you will get this feature option, and you will able to what do you call add the lots of things here on this profile sections. Okay, so okay, yeah, and this is called the feature section. Whatever post you have created and posted, that any posts are very important. Okay, like some posts are very important, and that it shows that your experience and any related work, then you can add here. Okay, so let's say for example, uh, in LinkedIn there are multiple way to post. Like if you have to post in journal post, then you can post it. Okay, so like from here, not here. Okay, I have to go back. Okay, so okay. And here, oh, wait a second, just a second. Let me tell you. See, this is the profile, public profile URL, and you need to make it very short. So, for example, for me, www.linkedin.com/in/I am decoder. This is my URL. Okay, I created it easy to remember and easy to like share. So it's quite healthy. So you have to create such kind of short URL so that it will be easy. Okay, so you can post your photo, okay, video, job, or you can write an article. Okay, or simply you can type a text and you can post it. So these are a various way. Okay, so likewise, if you whatever you posted, okay, if you have created your maybe let's say article, then individually you can add article. Okay, click on add article, and it will show the list of your article, and you can add it. So I added one article, then I can add it like feature. Okay, there are lots of other article that I already added. I think it was remained, that's why saying only one. Okay, and click on like featured, and it will show on here on the feature section at the very first. So if this article is much more important and it is quite related with your experience, and if you think that this article will help other also, then you can keep it in first. So recently I'm creating a YouTube videos, and for me that sharing a video is much more important. That's why I'm like attaching here. Okay, I attached here. So now you can see your activity, whatever you are you have posted here, you can see. And if you want to see the comments, what are the comments that you got, okay, so these are the things that you can see here. Okay, if you posted any videos, okay, I posted only very less video, that's why there are only three. Okay, so images, okay, and articles, yeah, these are the articles that I posted. Okay, and is there any document? Okay, so yeah, these are the document that I posted. So see, all those things you can see from here, or if you want to create here, then you can create. Okay, these are the things that you can do. And after that there is about us sections. Okay, on about us sections that you can add multiple things. Okay, here it should show the, what do you call, the see more details. I'm refreshing. Okay, it's we need to see the see more details. There I didn't see any see more detail, that's why I'm refreshing my page. Okay, um, it should be, why it's not saying, I don't know what is happening. I think okay, yeah, see more. Okay, so this is my about section. Likewise, you can mention. So I'm a senior graphic and UX UI designer with 4+ experience in Paul and the boy. UAE as a passionate designer. Blah 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 blah. Okay, it's just your approach. Okay, try to make it very simple and concise. Okay, so these are my expertise that I can do, and my specialization is these. Okay, and as a senior designer, what are the like soft skills that I obtained. Okay, I listed here. Okay, so is there any support or anything that you want, then you can get here. And if you want to connect with me, then here is the details to connect with me. Okay, so these are the way, okay, you can mention. And these are the some of the top skills that I have, and that's why I listed here. Okay, it should be like a it should be related with your profession. And maybe, okay, how you can optimize, maybe you are confused. Okay, you might be confused. So there is a simple edit button. Okay, just you can edit it, click on edit button and see, paste it, and you can add a skill. Okay, I already added there only five. You can add the five skills only. So from here click on add skills, and you can add and click on save. Okay, but now I already created, so I don't have to do anything else. Okay, so now this is my experience that I listed. From 2007 I started working. Okay, so these are the like past to present. And currently I'm working in the Sunrise Oasis Lighting LLC. Okay, and on that company I am a UX UI designer, and I'm developing creating a user interface for the B2B e-commerce. So these are the things, like I'm keeping very simple and concise. Okay, just the five, what you called, responsibility that I added. Okay, altogether these are the basic responsibility, okay, that I perform in my office and when I was in Nepal. So these are the these are the things that I used to do. Okay, so this is basic. And this is my education history. Okay, from plus 2. Okay, and there are other also, you can see, like HMG and higher secondary school. This is school living certificate. Okay, and plus 2 intermediate level and the bachelor level and the master level. These are my details. Basically I included everything. Okay, yeah. And then there is a sections called skill. Where is it? Where is the skills? Huh? Uh, education after, yeah, license and certification. So these are the things that I what do you call, I obtained. Okay, entrepreneurship development. Okay, I took a 10-day training and I got the certificate, and FM radio technician, and some basic computer and the diploma in hardware. And if you have other certificate also, you can list it here, other any individual certificate. And volunteering means if you volunteer in any services that you can mention. So I was a computer trainer. Okay, for 90 days, and per day it was one 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, And I was user interface designer in the National Innovation Center. It's a kind of incubation center in Nepal, okay, located in Kathmandu, Tribhuvan University. So there I worked as a user interface designer for one e-commerce site for at least 3 months. I was there, I think. Hmm. Okay, and here it is like 3D. Oh, sorry. What am I saying? Like 3D. Okay, it's skills that you can listed here. All the skills that okay. So click on edit and whatever skills you have. Okay, and then you can list all the skills that you have. Okay, and you can list it as much as you can add. Okay, there are total 50 skills you can list it here. Okay, there are lots of tons of skills, but out of those, that what are the skills that is related with your profession that you can list it. Okay, and try to list out as much as you can. Okay, because of that I add all the skills that is related with, because you cannot like determine, for example, one company is looking a few specific set of skills, and that cannot be like exactly match. Sometimes what happen is like sometimes some company looking for the prototype and some company typed rapid prototype, so there might be difference. Okay, so and because of that sometimes you might get confused, or you might not get any selected by any company. So try to add as much as skills that you have. Okay, and these are the courses that I have taken from the online. Okay, CSS, the ultimate guide, HTML, okay, and the photography, a very beginner course. Okay, and logo design, and HTML and CSS3. Okay, and foundation of UX design by Google. So these are the course certificates I obtained from the online virtual platforms, and these are the language that I can speak. Okay, Nepali it's my native language, and English for the obviously what do you call professional, and it's an international language. So if you are to compete in your international market, you have to be a well communicator in English language, and that's why obviously. Okay, so these are the things basically. See, this is how you can maintain. Okay, you have to be a very what do you call genuine and clear. Okay, you maybe there are so many other people who can say you can fake your account, but for example, let's say you fake something about your profile, and when time comes to like show your actual potential, then you won't be able to show, and the company might feel okay, you faked it and you are not able to perform the task, and you might get any issues. Okay, on that particular situation that can be happen. Okay, so basically this is the things. Okay, so if you want to go with like premium version, then you can purchase, but I don't suggest you to go with the premium version for as a beginner, or while trying to maintaining or building your personal brand. Okay, but if you wish to, then obviously you can go. Likewise, it's ad from the LinkedIn. So likewise, you will see, and you can click on try for free, and you will you will get 30 days of what do you call premium version for free, and after that it will charge you. Okay, so well basically these are the things that you need to take care of your LinkedIn profile, and try to post on a daily basis, or create one specific schedule to post your content, and try to communicate with other. For example, see, this is post by some other person, and if you think that is related with your profession, with your job, and if you think that is good, and you can comment here. Okay, and you can communicate with, okay, ask him, okay, you are also working on the same field, and I'm also likewise, and I'm into the what do you call into level of this kind of service, or I'm this much level, and I want to connect with you. Likewise, you can connect, and there are groups also. Okay, so you can link to the groups, and if you want to search for any group or any person, then you can search from here. For example, let's say you are looking for what do you call hiring manager. Let's say I'm typing hiring, manager. Okay, simply, and hiring manager, and then you can filter out where you want to search. Okay, so what you are looking for, you are, whether you are looking for people's or a post or jobs or a group or anything, whatever you are looking for, you can just simply click here and you can filter. For example, let's say I'm not a hiring manager, so it's like useless to select it, jobs, but I can click on people, let's say. The I can connect with the hiring manager. See, now you can see all the list of what you call the hiring manager. And here, what you can do is you can click on connect, okay, and you can send the specific, where it is, and here you can change the location also. For example, sorry, location here. So where you are, for example, for me, like I am located in Dubai, okay. uh, Simply you can type Dubai and you can select the location and show the result, okay. It will automatically filter out and you will see the location. So for example, if you want to connect with this particular person, okay, then what you can do is simply click on connect, and here there is one small, what do you call, feature from the LinkedIn, and that you can add, okay. So I'm just adding any word, okay. Let's say hello, sir, warm greeting. I am a UX UI designer, uh, and UX UI designer. I am looking for building my, okay, I mistake, just a second, building my, what do you call, professional connection. Hello, so warm greeting. I am a UX designer. I'm looking for building my professional connection. I hope you don't mind by sending invitation. Anything good for the person. Okay, invitation. Okay, anything you can write. Okay, but it's just like you have to write. You can write a 300 character, one character, okay, like this way, okay, 300 character that you can type here, and you can send any message, okay. For example, for me, it's just a building a connection. I'm not asking for the job, okay. If you are looking for the job or anything, just don't be that much direct, okay. I'm looking for a job, you might help or something, don't directly say, okay. Maybe some person can be a little bit any, like they might not be in a good situation, or anything can be happen, okay. We cannot assume other situation or other timing. Instead of that, you can say that I am this is kind of person, and I wanted to build my professional connection, so that you can be very useful for me in the later future, okay. Currently I'm not looking for a job, but otherwise I'm looking for the building a professional connection, so that I'm sending you invitation likewise. So for me, this is the reason, okay. Right now I'm not looking for the job, okay, but maybe eventually, okay, once we started connecting and communicating each other in post or something, okay, and if you think like it, so who knows, anything can be happen in near future. So, and you can simply send, and we can see the pending, okay. So this is the thing, this is how you can send invitation for other person, okay. It is not that you have to know the person to say no. It's not just a way. That is why there is a add node section, because you can introduce yourself and why you are sending the persons, okay. So why you want to connect with them, okay. There should be any kind of relation, and there should be a kind of any mutual understanding while sending. Well, and you can search the peoples, okay. For example, instead of people, let's search for the post, okay. If there is a post related with the hiring manager, then obviously you can get the post details. See, for example, all the hiring alerts are here. I typed the hiring word, that's why all the post I'm getting related with the hiring. See, post, job related post, okay. So this is how you can search and improvise, okay. So this is the basics thing, okay? It's not that complex or anything. It's very basic, it's very simple. It's just that you need to follow, like the way you are using your Facebook or any other social media platform. Likewise, you need to use your LinkedIn and upload things, okay? Don't just upload, okay, I'm having fun in this particular place. No, for that kind of situation, Facebook is there, or maybe Instagram is there, okay? But for the LinkedIn, you need to be a professional, a little bit try to share your professionalism. So because of that, company can see your real what do you call skill or experience, okay? And beside that, there is one thing that you can follow, okay? So let me go into settings, and if we are looking for the job, then you can create account preference, or where, just give me a second. I think data privacy, okay? On data privacy, yeah, signal your interest to recruiter at company that you have created a job alert, okay? So you need to turn on this. Why it is? For example, right now I think I haven't create any job alert. You can create a job alert, okay? For example, let me show you how you can search. For example, let's search UX UI designer, okay? I'm searching same. So okay, so while I'm looking for the job, that's why I'll click on this job. And here, see, I haven't created any job alert here, okay? That's why it's turned off, okay? So if you want to create, then you can click on here, and you can set, see, job alert, okay? And you can manage your job alert also. Okay, now I added just now. That's why I'm seeing any what do you call job alert section. Or if you want to add or delete, or if you want to edit anything, if you want to change, okay, alert frequency daily, okay, email and notification. If you want to email only, then you can get, okay, get notified by of similar jobs or not, yes or no. You can do this, okay? So for example, alert frequency, you want daily or weekly, it's your preference, okay? And you can set the title and everything, okay? And then you can save it. And what is job recommended based on your job role, activity and profile, okay? You can turn on, and based on your job reference, it will show the related activity or some of the job alert. If some company is looking for any particular designation that is related with your job alert, then automatically you will get the notification in notification center, or sometimes you will get the email notification also, okay? So for me now, I don't want to enable these. I just want to delete, okay? Done, okay? I'm deleting, I'm not creating any, okay? 3 minutes, okay? So I just want to clear, okay, these job search also. And there are lots of other what do you call points, okay? So if you want to prepare your interview also, then there are lot list of series of questions are, okay, you can prepare. For example, it's categories, you can see the categories also. For example, there is one common questions, or if you are a accountant, you can click on that. If you are administrative assistant, then you can select, okay? So let's say, let's go with the common questions, or let's go with the marketing manager or a project manager, anything, okay? And then you can see the related relevant questions, okay, that might be asked on your job interview, and you will get the answer. See, focus on balance, okay? Adaptability is key, or tips demonstrate that you can adapt your leadership. So it will give you a kind of tips and tricks how you can prepare, and how you can observe, and how you can like prepare your interview of and this will give you the lots of information about the interview preparation. So yeah, uh, there are these are the like categories. For example, if you are a software engineer, okay, and then you can select, and there will be a list of questions, okay, and based on that questions you can prepare, okay? This is things that you can prepare. And any other things that I forget to tell you? Well, let me think. I think I remember something, but I forget. I don't know. I hope this much for this now. Okay, so anything now, I just want to end this video. Okay, so if you have any confusion how you can like optimize your LinkedIn profile, or if you get any confusion while optimizing your LinkedIn profile, and if you want to connect with me, then obviously you can comment on my comment sections, or you can email me. You can get my email on the about sections. Okay, and so I'm happy to like communicate with you, and I'm happy to share my experience and my knowledge with you. So yeah, everything is about this. Okay, it's very basic and it's very simple, that maintaining a LinkedIn is quite easy. Okay, it's just like using any other social media platform, but it will give you a much more what do you call the career development. Okay, for me it's what you called giving me a good opportunity. And here is a notifications what do you call center, that you will get notified what are the things that you can do. So just there was one person, he shared he got the job as a UX designer, and I just commented his and I like thanked congratulated him. So I'm so sorry, I'm not thanked, I congratulated him. So yeah, and you can create your poll, and whatever you're interacting with the peoples and the post, you will get all the notifications from here. Okay, so and yeah, pretty much these are the things that you can do, and you can learn, and you can connect with the peoples. Okay, it will be very very useful for you. And try to post the content or article that is related with your profession, not your personal life. Okay, so it will show your skill and experience. Well, that's all for today's video, and if you have any confusion, obviously you have an idea of what to do. And bye for now, see you in the next video. Thank you.